Hello everyone. My name is Praveen Kumar and my mobile number is 9051033943. In this presentation, we will cover how to export gold jewelry from India to outside the world. I am a gold jewelry export consultant and I have an experience of like 3+ years. So let's learn about it. In this presentation, we will cover essential requirements, mandatory registrations, and post-export compliances. An essential requirement before starting an export or thinking an export, you must have capital of at least 5 kg of gold with you. You must have work experience in the field of gold jewelry at least 2 years. You must have work experience documents like 2 years financial audit, income tax return, GST summary that tells us that you have worked in the field. You must have a valid passport in case you need to go outside of India for looking for buyers. Mandatory registration. In mandatory registration, you must register your firm in case you are planning to do with a sole proprietorship. You have to do proprietorship firm. In case you are planning to do private limited company, LLP, OPC, any firm, but you must need to register it. After that, you need to obtain PAN for that, TAN for that, PTAX registration required, and no objection certificate from the local body is required. Then shop and establishment, and then further you have to open a current bank account in any bank, any nationalized or private any bank, preferably from where you are taking bullion. That will be preferable to open current bank account from where you will take duty free gold for to export. Then you need to register under GST Act, import export code. You need to take trademark of your brand, micro, small and medium enterprise registration, GJEPC, James and Jewelry Export Promotion Council. You need to obtain a custom license from your local jurisdiction custom office. Then you need to open bullion account to take duty free gold. Then EEFC account in the bank to receive foreign exchange. Then you have to tie up with the logistics who will export your product. Post export compliances. After exporting the product, you need to bring the foreign currency to India of your invoice amount within a due date, and you have to submit the documents to the bank that you have received the said amount of the invoice to generate EBRC, Electronic Bank Realization Certificate. Then proof of export need to be submit for EPM release. The duty the bank is holding, you need to provide them that you have exported the product to release the EPM they are holding with them. My suggestion is to please do the first export under an expert supervision. There are a lot of things cannot be covered under this video and there are a lot of compliances. Genuinely, this is a profitable business, but due to lot of compliances and due to lot of process, people are not doing this. I am helping that people with my videos and with my consultation. My name is Praveen Kumar, and you can contact me. My contact details is there. You can contact me for further any inquiry or further any services if you require. Thank you.